No problem. Your body is your equipment. Forget the gym membership and fancy machines. Your body is the only tool you need. You are the machine, and your determination is your fuel. The floor beneath your feet is your training ground. This is about mastering control, building real-world strength, and pushing past mental barriers. All you need is a plan, a positive attitude, and the will to work. Every rep is a step closer to your strongest self. This routine is for those who've nailed the basics and want more. We're moving beyond simple reps to skillful, powerful movements. Get ready to unlock your body's true potential. No equipment, no excuses, just results. Are you ready to challenge yourself? Let's get started. Come on. This isn't just another workout. Welcome to the intermediate zone, where strength, control, and athleticism are built. We're focusing on one side at a time, explosive power, and a rock-solid core. This is functional fitness for real life. Unilateral training fixes imbalances and builds balanced strength. Coordination and stability are key. Connect your mind to your muscles. Do this routine 3 to 4 times a week with rest days in between. Push hard, recover well, and watch your body transform. Let's dive into the exercises. First up, archer push-ups. Build unilateral chest and shoulder strength. One arm works, the other supports. Next, pistol squat progression. Test your single leg strength and balance, using support if needed. Pseudo planche, push-ups. Lean forward in push-up position, hands by hips, core tight. Jumping lunges with a pause. Explode up, switch legs mid-air, pause at the bottom. Typewriter pull-ups or inverted rows. Pull up, move side to side, or use a towel on a door for rows. L-sit progression, hands by hips, lift hips and feet, start with bent knees. Burpee to tuck. Jump burpee, then jump and drive knees high, land softly. Each move targets strength, power, and control. No equipment? Improvise with what you have. Focus on form and control in every rep. These exercises will challenge every muscle. Push through to the end. You're building real athleticism. Let's go. Now, let's have a serious chat about something really important. Intermediate training is about quality, not quantity. Perfect form beats high rep counts every time. Each rep should be controlled and intentional. Slow down, feel the movement, and own every inch. Fix your form. Film yourself if needed. Only progress when you've mastered the basics with flawless technique. Fewer perfect reps are better than many sloppy ones. This mindset shift is the key to lasting gains. Build strength, resilience, and skill, one perfect rep at a time. This journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Consistency is everything. Show up, do the work, and trust the process. Celebrate every win, no matter how small. You're transforming into a movement athlete, strong, mobile, and powerful. It's about what your body can do, not just how it looks. Every session is progress. Stay patient, stay focused, and enjoy the challenge. Embrace the burn and the growth. You're building a body ready for anything. Keep going, one rep at a time. Now go smash that workout, legend.